Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today I wanted to talk to you about the anticipated federal government stimulus checks in response to the COVID-19 crisis that we are facing as a nation, and how those payments will have whether or not those payments will have any implication on your eligibility for Medicaid. Before I get started, though, I wanted to invite you, should you wish to schedule a time to meet with me, feel free to go to eldermeeting.com, and at that location you could sign up to meet with me for a free strategy session should you have some Medicaid or probate issues that you wanted, or other estate planning issues that you wanted to discuss with me. So, as you know, the federal government is in the process of issuing stimulus checks to all of us taxpayers, and I've been getting several inquiries and concerns. Just how will this impact me or my relative who is currently receiving Medicaid for their long-term care needs? And because everybody knows, at least those people who have that are Medicaid recipients and have gone through the process, they know that they need to keep their income levels below a certain threshold and that they're not allowed to have too much resources on hand. So they want to make sure that the stimulus check that they receive from the federal government won't negatively impact their ability to continue to receive the long-term care benefits that they desperately need and that they deserve to have. So they want to know, should I accept the stimulus check? Should I send it back? What should I do with it? So I wanted to talk to you about that today. And there's been guidance documents now that have been issued. At first it was a little bit unclear how the stimulus money would be treated, but it has now been clarified that this stimulus money is to be treated as a federal tax refund, and therefore, because it's being treated as a tax refund, this, like other tax rebates, this money is not considered an income, nor is it considered a resource for a period of 12 months from the time of its receipt. So it will not disrupt your ability to receive benefits, federally funded benefits, whether you get it from the state, like the state of Florida, or any other state program that you may, if you're watching this video, you might want to connect with your an elder law attorney in your state. But generally speaking, it's an IRS federal code that these monies aren't to be considered an income, nor are they to be considered a resource for purposes of qualifying for these federally funded benefits such as SSI, Medicaid, SNAP, which is the supplemental food program that some people receive. So practically speaking, what does this mean to you? It means that you can accept your check, your stimulus check. You can receive Medicaid for your long-term care benefits, and you have 12 months essentially to use this money. If after 12 months you haven't used this money and it's still sitting in your bank account, then I think that you may have some concerns that you need to make sure that you reach out to an elder law attorney to put in some plans for it. But the money is not tremendously, while it's nice to have as a stimulus money, it shouldn't be something that you won't be able to utilize in the next 12 months to help you, so that way you can still qualify for your long-term care benefits through Medicaid. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. If it has, I ask that you like and share with others. And if you did want to schedule an opportunity to speak with me, you can go to eldermeeting.com and find a time and we can connect there. Again, I thank you for joining me.